Hello, my name's Linda and I'm lucky enough to live in a beautiful Hammerstone village in South Somerset in England with my lovely husband Mark and our crazy Bengal cat Harvey. So for Christmas this year I was very lucky and I received a polytunnel, which is really exciting because now I'll be able to grow lots more vegetables and flowers. We've decided to produce a series of videos showing the construction of the polytunnel right through to the harvesting of vegetables and picking of flowers for cutting. The next video in the series will show the construction in time-lapse. We've already put up a couple of hoops behind just to show you what it's going to look like. As well as the polytunnel, we have a lovely cider apple orchard over to my left, and we will be showing videos of this as well. We have beautiful blossom in May, and then in the autumn we have the production of our apple cider vinegar and our apple juice and cider. We have some really rare apples. We have Somerset Red Stripe and the Arlington Mill, and they'll all go into the production of the apple cider vinegar. So we also have a wildlife camera in the orchard, and if we have any footage of any birds or animals, or indeed Harvey, and here he is, we will be sharing that with you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and if you have any questions at all, please ask us. Bye for now, see you next time. Thank you.